Edith, the electric engine, enjoyed her morning rides. Usually, a small group of passengers greeted her at the junction. Today, throngs of people were packed onto the platform.
What's all this? It's lovely they cheered like that for Edward, but was that it? With all this fuss, you'd think the Queen was...
I didn't think the Queen was coming. I knew she was.
Could you ever have imagined the Queen passing our branch line?
I tend to imagine more exciting things.
What could be more exciting than the Queen? Picture us pulling royalty.
The trucks were a royal pain today. You can take them anytime you like. Edith?
Edith wasn't listening, for she was dreaming of kings and queens in her coaches. She was still fantasizing as she sat at the platform the next morning.
George, I hear Prince will be on the train tomorrow.
Indeed, he's as excited as ever.
Splendid. I'm sure everyone will be delighted by his visit.
A prince? Tomorrow? We're so ill-prepared. I must tell the others.
Edith spread the news to Eleanor, the mountain engines, and the coaches. They waited anxiously next morning for the prince's arrival.
It doesn't add up. The Queen's arrival was no secret. Why keep things hush-hush just for a prince?
Royals have their reasons. It could be a surprise. Perhaps he's come to rule the throne from Peel Godred. It is a fortress after all. Oh, imagine.
I don't know what kind of food you take me for, but we don't sell tickets to dogs.
We've been on more trains than you've ever sold tickets for, young fellow, and never once had this issue.
Is Eddie here giving you trouble, George?
I'm being sensible. I've never sold a ticket to a dog, and I'm not starting today.
Well, if you've never done it, it mustn't have been done before. It's no trouble. The dog can ride with me.
That requires proper paperwork, which I assume you don't have, sir.
The argument grew so fierce that no one realized they were late, except Edith.
Oh dear. We can't be late. The prince will get ever so cross. I mustn't let him down.
Before the driver could check her, Edith rolled slowly forward.
Come on! Oh!
Well done, boy!
What in the fan controller's name are you playing at? You proceed only with clear signals at my whistle, not because you feel like it.
I'm sorry, sir. I was worried we'd upset the prince if we were late.
You certainly did upset the prince. So much so, he came chasing after you.
You mean this is...
You should keep that imagination of yours in check, Edith. You might end up in a dangerous situation.
Never mind. Let's make up for lost time. A good one will surely brighten you up.
Later, Edith brought the return train to the junction.
So, How was your run-in with the prince?
Memorable. But not like Gordon's encounter with the Queen.
I heard you shouldn't stare directly at royalty. What's so exciting about a person you can't even look at?
There must be something exciting about you. The prince seems transfixed.
Oh.
Eleanor had had quite enough royalty for one day.